Hey guys, this is Siddiq Salis and you're welcome to my channel. This video is to briefly address the difference between Bachelor of Science and Bachelor of Arts. Let's begin with Bachelor of Arts. So Bachelor of Arts is an undergrad program, that's undergraduate degree program that specializes in the liberal arts when you talk of literature, philosophy, and the social sciences, etc. We talk of social sciences here. We are talking about the political science, sociology, talking about psychology. Yeah, so it basically looks at this. But what's the main difference between that and Bachelor of Science? When you are offering or you're reading Bachelor of Arts program, you realize that you're going to read more than one course. Okay, so for example, you're going to read let's say political science together with information studies and sociology, for example, or political science, linguistics, and Chinese. Or you're going to read psychology, information studies, and sociology. So it comes with combination of courses, and at the end of your program, you're going to realize that you have the chance to choose between two courses to major in them, or major one and minor one. We call the one you major in both, we refer to that as combined major. And if, let's say for example, you are reading psychology and information studies, or let's say human resource management, let me use that for example, human resource management and psychology, you have the chance, if you are reading Bachelor of Arts, you have the chance to have these two courses reflecting on your degree. Okay, so your degree will state that you have read these two courses. So you can combinedly read them from level 200, choose HR, human resource, and psychology, and then read them to the end, and then you can major both. So that's combined major. Or you major one and then you minor one, which I will explain later. But as you can see here, you can read two courses together. From the start, it will be 3 if that's University of Ghana for you. Now, what about Bachelor of Science? Bachelor of Science, some people say, looks at the physical sciences such as biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and the rest. But that's not always the case. When we say Bachelor of Science, it looks at, or it focuses on one aspect of discipline and you have to master that discipline without adding any other stuff, any other course to it. So Bachelor of Science focuses on only one aspect. So for example, someone who is reading Bachelor of Science and let's say human resource management, it means the person is not going to add anything apart from human resource management, such as psychology, nor information studies. None. The person is going to focus only on human resource management and the related courses. And in the end, the person will only have that on his or her certificate or degree. So that's Bachelor of Science. Another example is when someone is reading accounting. Now, accounting can be of two. It can be Bachelor of Science or Bachelor of Arts. If it's Bachelor of Arts, it means you're going to have, on the other hand, you are reading accounting and then you'll be reading psychology, for example. So you are reading combination of courses with the bachelor, with the accounting. But when it happens to be Bachelor of Science, which under the School of Business, that's under administration, accounting is accounting, and you only be focusing on that. So that's Bachelor of Science. Bachelor of Science focus on only one discipline. You turn. Kijui Akawe. So Bachelor of Science focuses on only one aspect, one discipline, whereby Bachelor of Arts can be more than one. Okay, so that one comes with combination of courses. I hope you understand. Yeah, we don't want to make this too long, so we just have to get the clear difference between Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Science. Bachelor of Science doesn't mean you are reading physical sciences. Okay, it doesn't mean you are reading biological science or no. For example, let me give you last example. Bachelor of Science in Psychology. You'll be reading purely psychology and psychology related courses only. Okay, that's one discipline. On the other hand, if you are reading psychology, Bachelor of Arts, you'll be reading psychology together with, let's say, sociology or accounting or economics or how do you call it, human resource management. Okay, so that's it. That's the difference between Bachelor of Science and Bachelor of Arts. Which one would I prefer? For me, maybe I'll prefer I have 2 courses on my degree, on my certificate, than having one. Anyway, that's just by the way. Like I said, Bachelor of Science focuses on one aspect and 8 related courses. Bachelor of Arts comes with combination of courses. On this note, let's rest our case, and then I'll update you with a different thing another time. Stay tuned.